back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, we're going to be telling you how to know if your bird trusts you. So, the next time you look at your bird and they slow blink, this means they trust you. And you have to slow blink back, just like Aaron is doing it. He's slow blinking at me, and I would slow blink back. Yeah, we're doing it a couple of times and I'm going blind. Okay, I trust you, Aaron. Bye. Okay, Aaron, bye. Bye, Aaron. Okay, I trust you. So, Aaron does trust me and I trust him. So today we're going to be doing it with Vanessa. I have a lot of footages with Aaron doing it. Roll up some. Aaron? 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 Aaron does trust me. Veronica doesn't really work. So let's try it with Veronica. Veronica? Okay, she's doing it. Yeah, she is. She's done it twice. So Veronica does trust me, but I think Aaron trusts me more. So right now they're going to have dinner and sleep. Aaron, okay, I know I trust you. He's still slow blinking. So Aaron, I really trust him. He really trusts me. Veronica, not really. It's just Veronica is always up on her swing, but now because she wants to have dinner, I'm gonna put their dinner and then we can get back to sleep. So see you guys in our next video. Bye.